This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so let us start with our session. Let me share my screen. So in yesterday's class, we had learned about the date table, and we had seen how to create a column, how to create a new column. That concept we have seen. We have also seen if else function also, right? So just as a refresher, um, we will start with one example on orders table. Okay, so this is something you had already done in Power Query editor. Now we are going to do the same task here in Power BI desktop. Okay, so now the question here is, identify number of profitable transactions. Okay, so this is something you have done in Power Query, that is using if conditional column, right? If you remember, you had written there conditional column. If profit is greater than zero, then it is profit, else it is loss, right? So that conditional column you had already created. Now you have to do the same task using DAX. Now, why I'm giving the same task again? The reason is that just to make you little more habitual with the DAX commands. Okay, so now you have to create a column. So make sure you are on the orders table. Create a column for comparing profit value with zero. Okay, so check which, and then you have to count how many transactions are profitable transactions and how many are in loss. Okay, so first of all, start with creating a column and quickly tell me what formula you will write in the new column. So to create, click on new column and tell me what will be your formula.
Vaidehi, can you please repeat again what we need to do?
We have to create a new column where we are going to check each value of profit is greater than zero or not. If it is greater than zero, you have to write profitable. If it is less than zero, then you have to write loss. Okay, or
Okay.
non-profitable. Okay, and then you have to count how many are profitable and how many transactions are non-profitable.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, you have to start with creating a new column. So click on new column and then write the formula. So it is a simple if formula. There is no variable, nothing required. If formula on profit. Now if formula we have yesterday written, right? If condition true, comma false. Yes, are you able to write the formula? You can share it in the chat window.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, share the formula in the chat window.
Actually, I'm using mobile, but I can say the formula.
Okay,
I just taken column name profit DAX is equal to I taken variable P is equal to orders in from orders profit column return, and if condition I used P greater than 0 profit else loss
okay,
close.
okay, perfect, perfect. So now are you able to count?
Yeah, I
So
will
you have to
make the
count the
chart
product
now.
IDs. Yes, so you can
Yeah,
just
yeah,
create a simple text table, bring your field and count the product ID.
yeah. Okay.
Try it out. Okay, so let us start with writing the formula. So I'm going to select orders because I want to create the column in the orders table. So select the table. We can better go to the data tab because there we will be able to make sure that our column is getting created correctly. Click on orders, new column.
Ma'am, we cannot see your screen.
Oh, is it so? Let me reshare it. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will give the name as profit
Will
slash loss.
you maximize your screen? It's
No, it is
active.
it's full
Yeah,
screen.
its active camera is on.
Sorry.
In your screen, active camera is on. That's why it's looking small. Will you maximize it?
It is full screen right now.
But
Which camera is on?
You
no,
have to
nobody
click
has.
hide everyone option, Syed. Click on hide
Yeah,
everyone in from drop down. Yeah. Okay.
on my side it's okay. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe. Thank you.
Then profit transactions are 38,038 380838.
Okay, let's check that. I don't remember the number exactly. Let's see. So the formula becomes like this: profit slash loss if logical test is what is our logical test? Profit. Now here we don't have to write sum of profit because we are creating a column. If we were creating a measure, then we have to write sum of profit. But since we are creating a column, we will just write the field because column is row context, right? So for each row, each transaction, it is going to check whether it is profit or loss. So greater than 0, we will call it as profit, else it is called as loss. Okay, so this becomes your formula. And after going to the report view, we can create a text table. I'll show you the formula, don't worry. We'll go to the report view and over there we will click on profit loss. So we get two fields, loss and profit, and we will bring product ID. So I'll change it to count. Count of product ID. Okay. And make sure your total should be 15, 51 to 43 because that is the total number of transactions.
Yeah, 51 to 43.
Correct. So to always keep an eye on the total. Okay. So I'll show you the formula. Quickly make a note of it, everyone.
Whether we can show this by column chart also, right?
Yes, any chart is okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's showing error.
In the formula,
Yeah, ma'am.
check your brackets, check your double quotations.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
You have not put the quotations around loss. Inverted commas should be around loss. Inverted commas, like profit, not the square bracket. How have you written profit? Same way loss. Bracket is missing. If bracket. Yeah.
Where, ma'am?
Yeah. Now create the chart.
Yeah, ma'am, I have another one issue in
Hmm.
financial year. I also,
Yeah.
yeah, this is the.
Okay, there is that ampersand missing over there before if. That and symbol is
And
missing before if. Yeah.
By the way, what we need to find out?
Number of products, so number of product ID which are in profit and which are in loss.
Okay, product ID.
And I already have a column profit and loss in my Power BI, so I can't make it.
You can give another name. So that is because you have created it using Power Query, conditional column.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can give another name to it.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. Now we'll solve next example.
Actually, I'm not getting this count of product ID
So have you
in
created
my
the
field.
table chart? Have you created the
Yeah, I
table
have
chart?
created. Yeah, I have created
So
table
on
chart.
the columns you have profit loss and product ID. So bring product ID also and change it to count.
I have two product ID, product ID dot one, product ID dot two.
Product ID dot one.
And thereafter, what should I have to do? I have drag column count of product
Change
ID
it to
in
count.
column.
Change it to count.
Okay, okay, change it to count. I'm not getting this. Can I share my screen? Because
Sure.
I'm not able to do. I
Yeah, sure.
think I don't have that column. Order ID, product ID, priority, product ID 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Look, first I have to select this one, and after that, product ID 1 na.
Product ID 1, change it to count. Click on the drop down and change it to count. Please give me a moment.
Okay, 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 okay. Done. Thank you. Stop sharing. Yeah, done from my side.
Okay, so sorry. Please continue. There was someone at the door I had to take. Um, yeah,
Yeah,
Sayed, you
yeah,
were
I have
sharing.
done. Yeah, yeah,
Is
yeah.
it sort?
Done
Okay.
from my, yeah, done from my side.
Okay. Okay. Great. So let's move ahead now.
Yes.
So now the next
Yes,
example
yes.
that we are going to solve. Yeah, next example that we are going to solve. Uh, Let me share the question just a moment. Okay. So here is the question. Okay. So what we have to do is which product from furniture category has highest shipping cost to sales ratio. Okay, so now first of all we have to find the ratio of shipping cost to sales. So shipping cost divided by sales is what we have to calculate. And now in this case we are not going to create a column, we are going to create a measure. Okay, so the formula is something going to be like this. Measures are always aggregated, so we have to write sum in the measure, right? So here we are going to write sum of shipping cost divided by sum of sales is going to be our formula in the measure. Okay, and then try to find out this ratio for all the products from the furniture category. So you can create a simple text table, bring the category, bring the products, and bring their shipping cost, and find out which product has highest shipping cost to sales ratio. Okay, try it out. Very simple question where you have to create a measure and the formula is sum of shipping cost divided by sum of sales, and tell me the name of the product. Try it out.
I guess technology is the answer.
No, not the category. We want to find a product from the furniture category.
Okay, product also. Okay.
Yeah, we have to find a product from the furniture category specifically.
How do we divide? What is the command for that?
Division symbol slash.
Without any punctuation or anything?
Yes, just slash. Normal division sign which we used in on computer.
By the way, what would be the formula?
Sum of shipping cost divided by sum of sales, and you have to create a measure in orders table. So make sure you're clicking on orders, create a new measure, and then create the chart. So try to create it from the data tab only so that you won't do any mistakes.
Tables avaide answer.
No, not subcategory. The question is on products. Which
Product.
product from the
Yeah,
furniture
yeah. Oh,
category? Not
yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
so. Make sure you are creating the measure on the orders table. The formula will be like this.
Hi Vaidehi.
Yeah.
12 1/2 diameter.
Sorry.
That furniture category, that 12 1/2 diameter round wall clock. Is this answer?
Yes, correct. Leiden wall clock. Oak wood,
Yeah.
something like that. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so quickly note down this formula. Are you able to see the formula on my screen?
It's shipping to sales or sales to shipping.
Shale. Oh, so sorry. My mistake. It should be shipping cost to sales. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, now how to create the chart? I hope the formula is ready with everyone. We will create, you can create text table or any type of chart. I am personally going to create a cluster column chart. The reason I will share it with you here. So we need category and we need product ID, right? So I'm going to put category and product ID in the x axis so that we get the drill down options. I will select this drill mode on and we'll bring the ratio. Where is our ratio? Shipping to sales ratio. Okay, we will arrange it sort axis descending, and what do we have to sort is product, sorry, descending order of sales ratio. Okay, now I will drill up so that I have category wise elements, and I'll click on furniture category. Because my mode is on, I'll just click on furniture, so I get all the products from furniture. And the first one is, oh sorry, we need the product name, not the product ID. Sorry, remove the ID from there, and we get this wall clock with oak frame. Okay, so cluster column chart, bring category and product name on x-axis, shipping to sales ratio on y-axis, and drill down to furniture, and you'll get the answer.
Actually, I want to share my screen. I'm not able to create that column.
Yeah, sure.
Here, shipping of ratio. I have clicked in order product.
Close the bracket after sales. So basically it is shipping cost divided by sales. The formula is shipping cost divided by sales. So sum of shipping cost, close the bracket, divided by sum of sales. So you have to do it reverse.
I have to reverse this.
Yes.
Shipping corporation and sum of shipping corporation of sale.
Correct.
Yeah. The question is, what was the question?
The question is you have to find a product name which has highest sales to shipping cost to sales ratio. So cluster chart, bring product name and category and the ratio.
Okay. Category in x-axis
Yeah.
and product name in y-axis. It was already in drill, no?
Yeah. So to drill down. Drill down into bring product name in the x-axis, then only you'll be able to see.
But I'm not getting drill down option here.
Because you have not dragged product name to category and product name. Both should be in the x-axis.
Okay, okay. No, it's not working.
Now bring your ratio to the y-axis.
Shipping ratio. Look, it's not working.
Go to your model tab. Your data model is not correct.
Model tab.
That is data tab. Next one.
Oh, I haven't created that. That's
Correct.
why,
Product
because
ID. Yeah, correct. You have to do that.
okay, okay. Because before last class, I have missed. That's why.
Okay. So just
Okay, I will.
build a connection between them and it will work for you.
Okay, okay.
Whether we need to create this measure on order ID or product ID?
Sorry, which one? Chart you are talking about?
No, in table.
No, no, I didn't get your
In
question.
data
So sorry.
table, in data table, we
Huh? In the see, measure can be created in any table. So generally,
measure
preferably we'll
on
create in
order ID or in product ID.
order ID.
Okay, I have created that in order ID. When I'm
Okay.
try once again. when I keep that category and product name in x-axis and shipping to sales ratio that measure in y-axis, I can
Mm-hmm.
see. Let me drag down. What was the question exactly? What is the sales ratio?
Shipping cost to sales ratio for the products in the furniture category.
Would you please check my chart once?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see it? Is this the right one?
Uh, yes. So, can you click on one single down arrow where there is a drill down option? Yeah, click on that. Now click on furniture. Click
Okay.
on that once. Yeah. Now click on furniture. Now click on that down arrow once. First of all, you need to select that down arrow. Yes. Now click on furniture. Click on furniture. Yeah. There you get it.
And even I am facing similar difficulty. I'm getting technology in the table.
Okay. You want to share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead. I am not. Okay, drill up. Can you click on the up arrow, which is on the left side of that black color? Yeah. Now click on furniture. Yeah, there you get it.
I have also some error in formula.
Okay. Savita, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Please go ahead. Can you show me the name of your table
Which
on
table?
in the data section? In the data, can you scroll up a little bit? Or in the right side there is this fields. So can you scroll up over there a little bit?
Yeah.
Fields, where columns are there. Can you scroll up? I want to see the name of the table. On the right side, there are all the column names. Fields are there. There is
Huh.
data written on the top. Where's the right side?
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
little more right. Yeah. Can you scroll there little up so that I can see the name of the table? One second. Okay, now here the name of the table is order. And over here, from where you have written order folder, I don't know. That's a mistake actually. And the formula is shipping cost divided by sales.
No, ma'am.
Okay, make sure you're
It's not
selecting from
working.
the drop down when you are writing the name of the fields. Don't type the name of the fields, just type shipping cost, so SHI, and then you will get suggestions. So remove that order shipping cost from there first of all. Yeah, remove that entire field. Yes, remove entire thing. Yeah. Now type shipping cost from the drop down. Yeah, can you see shipping cost?
Yeah. Still some error, ma'am.
Okay, did you use column or measure? Just copy the entire formula.
Measure.
See, again, the order is still wrong. You have removed that single quote which was supposed to be there. Sales is still wrong. Remove that whole thing inside some bracket and type sales again. Remove that entire thing inside the bracket.
Okay.
Still, it is wrong. I'm telling you to delete the order sales written over there. Type SA sales and select it from the drop down. Yeah, after division, sum. First type sum because we need the function. Sum and select from the drop down. Don't type it. Select from the drop down. Correct. Now write there sales. SAL. And then select from the drop down. Close the brackets. Correct.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's it.
I have to select
Bring first
product.
category to the x-axis. Then bring first category to the category was there only at the down. Products category. Okay, then product name to the x-axis.
Then shipping cost.
Yeah, the ratio to the y-axis. Product name to the x-axis, not to the legend, to the x-axis. Okay, now there is one down arrow. In the drill down options, there is a down arrow. Okay, now go to click on up arrow first. Click on the up arrow. Yeah, now click on furniture and you'll get the answer. Don't click on the down arrow. I just told you to click on up arrow. Make sure your down arrow is clicked. Now click on furniture and it will work for you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have one question. There are a lot of columns over there, and suppose we can arrange this. The your column is arranged. The biggest one is coming at the first. So how to do that? Or we have to scroll down to see which is coming first. Is there a way we can arrange these columns, like the highest ratio in the first place and the
Column in the chart
other?
you're talking about.
Yeah, chart.
We can sort it. Sort axis.
I tried doing that, but it does not work.
Sort based on the which field you want to sort it and then ascending or descending. So we have sorted our bar chart as per shipping to sales ratio and we have
Okay.
sorted it in descending order.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have some problem with the chart. I'm not getting the same answer.
Have you sorted it?
Yes, ma'am, I have shorted it.
Okay. Let me make you the presenter. Please go ahead.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Here I'm getting 0, 10, 20, 30.
Can you hover on the first bar? One second. Mm. Can you show me the formula once? Click on the field. Here itself. Here itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on the field. The formula will come on the top. You have to do shipping cost to sales ratio. Earlier we had written the formula wrong. Shipping to sales ratio.
Yes, ma'am. I've done it.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I got it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now let's go for the next example. Let me get the question. Okay, so this is the last one um, on DAX, means directly on DAX. Then we will create some charts later. So let me paste the question here. Okay. Okay. So now the question is that let me explain it to you, then you create the chart. Okay, so let me explain the question to you. So if you look here at the yearly sales, so we have year column from our date table. We will take the year, not the financial year, normal year. Okay, here, and we have sales values, right? So for each year we have the sales values. Okay, so now 2019 sales were 5419144. This was the sales value for
Vaidik, can you please
2019.
refresh your screen?
You're not able
I
to see
cannot
it. One
see.
second. Can you see
Yeah,
the
we
screen
are
now?
on in same script. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, fine. So now let me explain the question to you with the help of the chart. So I have created a text table where we have year. Okay, don't take financial year, take the normal year. And we can see that for 2019 the sales values are 5419144. These are the values. Okay, so now what the question says that we are expecting that these values increase by 10%. So whatever is the sales, we are going to calculate 10% of sales. Like you had applied 18% GST, right? So same way here we have to apply 10%, okay, to the sales values, and bring that field on the same text table and try to see what is the new value. So that will give us that if the sales numbers were expected to increase by 10% in the following year in all customer segments, what will be the total estimated sales for home office in 2020? Now we don't have the data for 2020. We have to get the data from 2019 because these are the actual sales, and we have to calculate predicted sales. Okay, so we have to recreate a measure called as predicted sales, just like your GST. So after applying tax, what is a new sale? Same way, after applying 10% increase, what are the predicted sales we have to calculate? Okay, and then we have to check for each customer segment what is the estimated sales. So you have to look at the answer for 2019. You don't have to look for any other 2020 year because it is not there. We have to create a predicted sales and look at the answer for 2019 for all the customer segments, and we have to find out that for a home office what are the predicted sales. Okay, so the formula is very simple. You have to just multiply 10% to you have to increase the sum of sales by 10%. So you have to create a measure, use sum of sales as the field, and then multiply it with an appropriate value which will give us the answer for 10%, and then modify this text table. So I will bring the segment also over here. I will change it to a matrix chart. So now you can see here for 2019 home office is 1090345. This is the value. These are the actual sales. So now we have to find out the predicted sales for 2019, means that will be the actual predicted sales for 2020. Okay, so create the field and bring it to the matrix chart and tell me the answer. What we first of all tell me, write the formula in the chat window. What will be the exact formula? Sum of sales multiplied by what?
Is it for home office 1199,390?
Correct. Perfect. Okay, so make sure you're creating the measure. I'm writing the formula for the measure over here. Predicted sales is equal to sum of sales multiplied by 1.10 or 1.1. Now with this formula, try to give me the answer. Okay, so bring the field over here in the matrix chart. So I will remove sales and I will bring predicted sales. Okay, and we get the answer as 1199390.
Ma'am, could you show me once again?
Which
Because your
part?
skin is freezing.
Here is the formula. Can you see the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And then here we just have year, segment, and predicted sales.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, everybody done with this one?
From where you have brought the years?
Date, date field, date, years, expand the date.
Okay. Ma'am,
Okay,
can I share
done
my
with this,
screen? I'm not
everybody?
getting it.
Yeah, yeah, sure, please. Okay, where are you stuck exactly? Expand the date table. There you will get the year field. Remove the order date. Correct. And then your predicted sales. Can you show me what is on the values? Which field you have dragged? Predicted sale. Can you show me the formula for predicted sales? To 1.1. Segment year and predicted sales. Okay. Can you go to the model tab? Model tab. Okay. Can you hover on that relation between orders and date table? Can you take your mouse on that? Yeah, date. Okay, and same way, can you show me your customer and orders also relation? Okay, this is also all good. Okay, so your numbers are not coming correct, right? For 2019, predicted sales for home office should be 1199390.
I'm also getting the same values as his.
As
99, the same which is displaying.
mm, segment and year. So your predicted sales formula is correct. Can you click on the formula once again? Predicted sales. Okay, sum of orders sales into 1.1.
Might be appending has not been done correct.
Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. Can you just move this chart a little bit left or right, little below that bar chart? Yeah, and now click on the bar chart. Okay, can you drill up? Drill up arrow. Yeah, correct. So when you clicked on furniture, what happened? That furniture chart was filtered. So this chart also got filtered. Okay, so the values which you were getting were for furniture category and not for the entire table. So any chart, if you click on any chart, any bar of any chart, it will filter the rest of the charts in that particular page.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now let's move ahead. Okay, now the next example.
And can we do something using new quick measure? I've not done anything with that.
Actually, we wrote the formula instead of creating the quick measure. We just wrote the formula manually. This one, shipping to sales ratio. So the same thing we can do using quick measure. So if you go to quick measure and over here, if you select division, same thing can be done over here.
No, we are not able to see the screen actually.
Okay, one second. Let me reshare it. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So there you have to click on quick measure and then select the calculation as division. And you can write sum of shipping cost to sum of sales. Okay, so we have already written this formula manually, so let's not get into that. Let's solve one more example. So I was just checking out the questions only. One second. This one we will do on running total. Okay, so the question here is, okay, what find total profits generated by USCA market by the end of 2018. Okay, so the question is, find the total profit generated by USCA market by end of 2018. So I'm going to create a matrix chart over here. So click on matrix and we need year and we need market, right? So let's bring year from the date table to the rows and market from the delivery locations to the columns. Okay, so we get year and markets, right? And then we need profit. So let's bring profit over here to the values. Okay, so now what do we have to do is that in 2016 USCM market generated 51,000 profits. In 2017 it generated 66,000 profit. In 2018 it generated 86,000 profit, right? So I want to know that by the end of 18 what is the running total or cumulative addition of that. So 51 plus 66 plus 86, so what is the total? That is what we have to find. Okay, so is the question clear to you all? Any queries with the question?
Ma'am, could you repeat it, please?
Yes, the question is that uh, we can see here market wise, year wise profits is what we can see over here in the chart. Okay, so this is the profit generated by USCA market in 2016. This is in 2017. This is in 18, right? So what we have to visualize is that we have to do a running total of all these years. So 2016 is 51,000. 2017 is what is the running total of 17 and 16? 51 plus 66,000. How much it becomes? So that becomes the total profit generated by the end of 2017. So by the end of 18, it will be 51,000 plus 66,000 plus 86,000. So what is the total generated by the end of 2018? Right? So in this way, we have to find the running total over the profit field. Okay, is the question clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now to answer this question, we are going to create a quick measure. So make sure you are selecting orders table. For safer side, you can go to the data tab and select orders table so that the measure doesn't get created anywhere else. Quick measure. And we are going to select the calculation as running total. Okay. Now base value means which whose running total you want to find out. Sales. Sorry, profit, not sales. Profit. On the basis of which field you want to find out. Okay, so we
Where do
want to
we,
find it.
Ma'am, we can't see your
your,
screen.
your screen is not
We see your
moving.
skin. Please refresh it.
Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have clicked on quick measure. Running total is the calculation from here, selected from here, running total. Profit is on base value, and year from our date hierarchy, year has to be dragged to the field. Okay, click OK, and your measure is created.
Getting the drop downs for base value and field.
Okay, instead of dragging, you are getting the drop down to select, right?
I'm not getting the drop down.
On the right side, you should be able to see your columns.
After clicking on quick measure, in calculation drop down, there is a list, but we are not able to find sum of
You have to find running
profit.
total. Can you see on the top calculation is running total?
No, running total. Yeah. After that, okay.
It has automatically created a command, the DAX
Yes, it
formula.
will. Yes, it will automatically write a DAX formula. So quick measure is nothing but writing DAX formulas using drop down. That's it.
But I'm not getting base value drop down option and field. There is no drop down option in base value and field.
And can
There
we
is no drop down. You have to drag the fields from here to base value and field.
can we go back and edit this thing after clicking
No,
OK?
you cannot. You can edit it using the DAX formula, not by this UI.
Okay, so what I'm getting here is also Amazon date and year. Means I think I have selected a wrong table. Sum of cafe sales.
Okay, so just delete the field and create again.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, Sayed this side. If we will not, actually, I haven't made data in data table, data after hierarchy, data hierarchy. That's why I'm not getting data and year now.
Date. Is that what you
Yeah,
mean?
date and yeah, yeah.
So
I'm
then in
sorry.
that case, if you have not created the date table, it's okay. You just bring the year from the order date.
Okay, I have bring date in field.
No, don't bring the date field, bring the year field.
Year is also not
Okay, just give me a second. Let me quickly check whether the formula is correct or not, and then maybe you can
there. Okay.
copy after that. Just a moment. So if I remove this from here and bring the profit running total. Yeah, correct. The value is correct. So what you have to do is you have to go to quick measure, select running total, bring here year from the date. So expand the date hierarchy. Either it can be in the date table on the orders table, wherever your date hierarchy is there. And from the orders table, bring profit to the base value. And click OK. Your field will be created.
Vaidehi,
Hmm.
like, is this the easiest process of creating new measure as quick measure,
Yes.
or it is the different?
No, it is the easiest way.
Then why we are going through a new measure? Then as it was a lengthy process, I think.
See, you cannot create all the measures using quick measure. So there are limited options. There are limited functionalities available. But if you want to create some additional measures, like if you want to create a measure like that one, that 18% GST or predicted sales, so you do have multiplication option here. But multiplication is only between two fields. You cannot multiply a sales column with a number. That option is not available in quick measure. So we have to use the new measure option. You have to write the DAX formula. So ultimately, DAX writing a DAX formula is the best option. Now they have identified some commonly used measures, and their formulas they have put in the form of quick measures. So if any formula is available here, you can choose that. But if it is not available, you have to write your own tax formula.
Okay, so basically, which formulas are available in quick measures only?
You can see in the drop down. These all options are there.
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, is this done, everyone? Have you created the quick measure?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and then bring it to the chart. Okay, done with this chart, everybody? Anyone needs any help?
Yeah, say decide. Can I share my screen? Actually, I'm not
Yes.
able to create the table.
Yeah.
Actually, finding whole from 1942 to till.
Okay, remove your date from here. Remove the date from here. Okay, now expand your order date in the orders table.
Order date.
It's in the orders table, not the orders table.
Oh, order date.
Expand it. Can you expand it? Again, expand the date hierarchy.
Only I have to put
And then
year now.
here, bring it to the rows. Yeah, bring it to the rows. Yeah, done.
Okay, done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm getting multiple decimals number, like upper decimal getting 5 digit.
Okay, then you
How
can
to
change the
round up that?
decimals from the data tab. You can set the decimals to lesser number.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Now one next function that we will use now here is just 1 second. Okay, one last one we'll see is rank X. Okay, rank function. So now the question here is, let me, I think I have not shared my screen. Just a second. Okay. The question is, what is rank of Italy in terms of sales in European market? Okay, so we need the so now first of all I will create a chart which is going to give us the which is going to give us this result. Okay, so I'm going to create a clustered column chart because we can use the drill down option very easily over here, and I will bring market. I will bring we need market, European market, and country. Italy is the country, so we'll bring here market and country. So we get the drill down options over here, and then we have sales. Okay, so now if I click on this drill down mode on, just like that furniture and the product example, just like that, if I click on Europe, okay, let's sort it in descending order by sales. So we have to find the fifth position is Italy. Okay, so now this is we have done manually. What if I want a number to each of them? I will rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, like this. So if I want to give rank to each one of them in this chart, we'll have to create a measure. Okay, so let's write the formula first. So I'm going to click on new measure, orders table, new measure, and the formula is country rank is equal to, the formula is like this, rank X rank X brackets. Now here it is mentioned the first element is table. Okay, so we have to mention that on which particular table or which particular field we are calculating the rank. So we have to write here all on all countries. We have to find a rank on the country based on which field, sum of sales. That's it. Okay, and now if I bring this particular rank on the tooltip, so there is an option called as tooltip. If I bring it on the tooltip and I hover over Italy, so you can see rank. Okay, it is giving me rank 1. I think I did some mistake over here. Okay, let me check the formula meanwhile. So in on the tooltip it should give me rank 5. Okay, so somewhere I've done a mistake with the formula. Just give me a second. Meanwhile, you create the cluster column chart first. Let me just quickly check the formula. Okay,
Now
there
I'm getting
seems to
a
be some big. You got the
get,
answer?
I'm getting an error in the sum of order sales that is underlined by red color.
Okay. The formula somewhere I'm missing out on something. I am not able to find my solution also.
Some X,
Um,
some X, no? There instead of some.
some X. Um, no, some X. Um, okay, still let me try the some X option also. Okay. Mm, okay. Sorry, I got the mistake. Um, so this is the right formula. Okay. So what happens is that the formula was correct. We have to write delivery locations and sum of sales only, but we have to put this sum of sales into calculate function. Now why do we have to put it in calculate function is that, so there is a very complex concept behind that. Let's not get into that concept. So whenever we have a measure, no, so if you have a already created measure, this calculate function is already being executed in the background and it is applying a context to it. Okay, but whenever we are using a column name, not a measure, we are using a column name over here and applying sum, we have to always put it in calculate function. Okay, so this rank x has two criterias. First criteria is says that it use the all function to specify the column. Okay, and the second criteria is if you are using a measure, use it directly, but if you are using a column, okay, aggregation on a column, then put it in a calculate function. So that's how this rank x function works. So now when I hover over Italy, I'm getting the answer as 5. So now you can write the formula. Okay, I hope you are able to create the formula now and bring that formula on the tooltip, so that when you hover on that, that black color box is the tooltip and there you can see the number.
Ma'am, how did you get the descending order? Which one you have clicked?
Sort. Click on the dots, sort axis
Yeah.
by
Okay, okay,
sum of
ma'am.
sales and descending.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, done with this, everyone? Anyone facing any difficulty or need any help?
My formula is, ma'am, still not working. Showing a red underline.
Okay, you want to share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, close the bracket before the comma. Bracket for all.
Bracket for. Okay, this bracket.
Yes, after the all, after the country. Look, open the bracket after all and close it after country. And close it after the square bracket of country.
Then we have to delete something from here too. There are a lot of brackets over here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Can you help me, Sayed, this side?
Yeah.
Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Look, I'm not getting. I have to sort it by sum of sales now. After that, sorting by descending order. But I'm not getting
Correct.
it.
Okay, what is on your x-axis? Okay, move
Country
that
and market.
market above country. Move market above the country. Yeah. Now drill up and click on Europe.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
Whether what I need to keep at y-axis?
Y-axis is sum of sales.
So in x-axis, it is market and country column,
Country.
and in
Correct.
y-axis, it is sum of
Sum
sales.
of sales. Correct.
Okay. And what is the question exactly?
Question is that what is the rank of Italy in a European market?
Okay. Uh,
Okay, is it done?
On which axis, ma'am, we need to bring the country rank?
Tooltip. Yeah,
I have a question here. Why we are bringing a country rank in tooltips? Will you explain?
because if you bring it to the y-axis, our sales will be changed to the rank. So we just want to plot the chart, plus we want to see the rank. So bringing it to the tooltip will keep the chart as it is, plus the rank is shown in the tooltip. So any additional information if you want to show without disturbing the chart, you can bring all that things to the tooltip, so that when you hover on that, the information can be seen in the tooltip.
And what about small multiples?
It will break your chart into multiple divisions. Like for example, if you bring here year to the small multiples, so there are total 4 years. So each year's data is divided into four, see, multiples like this.
Okay.
Okay, I hope this is fine for everyone. Yeah, Aryan. Sorry, you want to share your screen? Okay, go to the three dots and sort it. Can you see the three dots over there? Yeah, sort axis by sum of sales and descending. Sort descending. Correct. Okay.
by the way, in mine, Italy is showing a 12th rank.
12th rank. Um,
Yeah.
um, so you might not have drilled it down properly.
Once again.
So you have to
I
drill
have
it
already,
on.
yeah, I've already drilled it and also sorted also.
Okay, let me have a look.
Would you please check mine once?
Yeah, I have made you the presenter.
Yeah, yeah. I've already shared.
Okay, can you show me what is on your x-axis in that visualizations?
Yeah.
Market and country, sum of sales. So can you drill up? Okay. Now click on Europe. That's it. You get it 5.
Okay. Oh, where was the mistake actually?
You didn't drill down properly. Okay. So I hope it is done for everyone. All clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So then let's stop here for today. See you
Okay.
tomorrow, guys.
Good night, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye. Good night.